Hello, I am Bina Shah. I'm a retired banking professional living in Ahmedabad. I had a problem with the service warranty related request to a famous plumbing line company, Jaguar. I had heard about CERC, the protector of consumer rights. I approached them with my complaint and they guided me and asked me to send email to Jaguar with a copy to CERC. I followed their advice and did as needed. CERC also sent an email to the company and immediately my request was taken care of and my work was done to my satisfaction. Just one email from CERC and the company got running. I sincerely thank the team of CERC who are always ready to sort out consumer grievances. Thank you so much.